Baby, I need to have somewhere to go. And I ain't got nowhere to go. Nobody to see. Baby, somebody got to see me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jerianna, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a quick and easy glueless wig install using Tinashe hair. So shout out to Tinashe hair for sponsoring this video and sending me yet another bomb unit. I am in love with this unit, guys. Like, y'all don't even know, but y'all will hear more about it later on in the video, so just stay tuned. I also want to let you guys know that this will not be a step-by-step glueless wig install because I am not a professional by any means. I am new to this, not true to this. Y'all already know the saying. I say it all the time. But yeah, if you guys are still interested in seeing this install, then just keep on watching. another hit, another hit, another. Baby, I need to have somewhere to go, and I ain't got nowhere to go, nobody to see. Baby, somebody gotta see me. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. This is how the hair turned out. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is sponsored by Tinashe Hair. So shout out to Tinashe Hair once again for sending me over a bomb unit. So they sent me over a 22-inch body wave 13x4 frontal wig. I wanted to try doing this glueless method for the first time. I hadn't done it before. Usually any other time that I do an install, I kind of use, well, I've been using Bold Hold as my form of like getting my hair to lay down, but I was just not in the mood to be dealing with messy glue and all that. So that's why I wanted to try a different method. The lace was very easy to work with. I didn't have any troubles with it. It wasn't too hard, it wasn't too thick, it wasn't too dark. Like, it was perfect. I love the hair. I love how soft the hair is, how I could just run my fingers through it. I feel like this frontal was definitely pre-plucked. I did a little bit of plucking, but I did most of the plucking in the part in the middle. I think I melted it pretty good though. I don't got no complaints. All right, y'all, so that is all that I have for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this install, this fairly quick install. I feel like I'm getting a lot faster at doing these installs, so I think that's a good thing. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Help me get my subscribers up. Also, make sure that you guys have on your post notification bell so that way you guys are getting notified every time I upload a video. Y'all already know what I would say after this, but I'm gonna refrain from saying because y'all already know the deal. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. But yeah, that's all that I have. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video.